Okay. My name is Hilda Hopti. I'm the co-founder of Orphans Guardian Angel, and I'm here to ask a couple questions and find out, so you can find out more about this organization. How are you today?
Fine, how are you?
Good. I wanted to ask you a couple questions. What do you think Orphans Guardian Angel should do in 2013?
Okay, I'm sure I'll be happy if the Orphans and Guardians will provide us enough food for our chickens. Because last year there was just an introduction to the project, then pastors disappeared and we had no food for our chickens. So I think it is better if we get enough food for our chickens.
Okay. Besides poetry, what other projects do you think you can have to help out with the kids? Is there anything else besides raising the chickens that you want to do?
It's a difficult question because I'd like to think another project would be maybe raising some more money to buy uniforms for the orphans. They don't have food at home. Some of the guardians at home are not feeling well. Maybe they will need some medicine to help them.
Okay. How would you like to raise that money?
Apart from the poetry project, yes, and I feel maybe yes, so that you can grow some vegetables. Or if you had come earlier, we should have a field to grow some maize so that we have enough food for our poultry project. Okay. Instead of getting the maize from parents, we will get the maize from our own field, our own school field.
And are parents more involved now than they were before Orphans Guardian Angel?
Yes, I would say since we started with about 3 parents only, and now we are having more than 10. Many parents are showing interest, but the problem is they don't have the maize.
What has been the impact of HIV/AIDS in the community? Is it affecting the kids' education or the parents?
Yes, it is. We have parents who are HIV positive, and we have quite a good number of kids again who are infected. So it's a problem to the school.
Do you think do you have a class to teach like HIV, like stuff about HIV?
Yes, from grade 3 to 7 we teach HIV and AIDS.